In this video, I want to share with you a simple step-by-step guide to the easiest 3K per month AI affiliate business that you can start today. Now, this is all hosted inside of the Home Business Academy, the HBA app, and I'm going to share it with you today because, I used to have ChatGPT and some other AI tools that I was using in order to run my affiliate business, and those things were just actually some more expense that I had in my affiliate business, and I was able to get rid of those expenses simply because the Home Business Academy came out with some premium tools, AI tools that we can use in our affiliate business, not only to promote this, but for whatever it is that we're promoting, we can use these tools in order to do that. So I'm going to share that with you inside of this video right here. So I'm going to come over here to premium. When I come to premium, we're going to come over to where it says premium tools. If I click on that, a drop down comes up. Now what we have here, the first tool is called PromptWrite AI. On this tool right here, you can use this to come up with prompts for whatever it is that you're doing. We give you done for you prompts right here that you can actually use compelling content ideas, headline, email subject line, video title, thumbnail, text generator, headline, ultimate high impact headlines, generator, spinner, capture pages, whatever, ultimate prompt creator, direct response. And so if you just a viral hook, if you like doing videos, then you can use this one. Myself, I love videos, so I want to create titles and thumbnails. I could use this prompt simply by clicking on it, and it will put the prompt right there. And what you want to do is go through this prompt and actually change out where it says insert here, your keyword, insert here, what it is that you're looking for. You want to make sure you go through that, and then you're able to copy all of this information and take it to the next step. Also inside of this prompt writer, if you want to delete all of that and you want to come up with your own prompt, we can come down here and just simply delete. You can use the persuasion writer. You can use that. You can use the lead magnet helper, all of that right there. Whatever you need help with, if you're creating a lead magnet for, for the Home Business Academy or for anything else, the turnkey residual income system, you can use this tool. Now, there is a cost to getting access to this tool. It is not free. You can put it in high powered mode. And when you put it in high power mode, you get three chances to use it, or three opportunities to use it to get the prompt. This gives you the best persuasion writing ever, in here. So you can use that, and it tells you right here when you click these little dots, it tells you what it is and how to use it, So if we click back off of that, you can have my prompts. You can create your own prompts and put them in here, and you can upload an image to create prompts off of that as well. So this is the PromptWrite AI tool that you can use to create anything that you want. If you want to use your own writing preference, you can click that right there over here up under settings. If we come to settings, you can come over here, prompt AI writing settings, and you can put all of that information in here for your settings. All of that. They have added more to this since I've been back in here last. So you can add all of that information in here: the business name, business description, products and services, your story, target market, branded voice, promotion, positioning angles, and additional content. Click save it, and then it's going to apply it, to your prompt AI writer over here up under the premium section. It's going to use the information. If you check this block or tick this box right here, it's going to use your preference. So remember, you have this tool, so you don't need ChatGPT or Google Gemini any longer. You can simply use this tool right here to get thumbnail ideas. Use it to generate your hooks for your YouTube videos, your descriptions, your tags, your keywords, all of that right there. The next tool that we have is called the image generator. Now what the image generator does, I'm going to pull you up one. You just seen this one for the thumbnail. I created this one inside of here right here. So what you want to do is watch this video first. Paul explains to you how to use this the right way so it don't use your credits. So you have right here This is where you can ask questions, give it that idea, put your idea in this box right here, put your idea in here, and then it's going to generate the best prompt for you to get the best image possible, so you're not burning your credit. Okay, once you do that, you're able to send it down here to the prompt section. Also, you can add images in here to describe an image. You can take another thumbnail, okay, and have it redo that thumbnail with you in it. Okay, so you can do that. Here, it's going to put this thumbnail here. What I did, I asked the information up here, and then it automatically clicked this button and it put the prompt down here. Make sure you go through this prompt, okay, and make sure to style the way you want it and thing, because right here it said I had black. It got black t-shirt and black baseball cap. Well, I didn't say that in the first prompt, and this is what it gave me. Okay, it gave me that right there. Plus, I didn't change the ratio. Okay, the second one I said put a hat, but then it gave me this hat right here. That's not my style. I'm a baseball cap man. Okay, so that's what we got right there. And then I finally got this one out right here. Okay, so you can use that. You can tell it what you want to avoid. You can use any image that you want. Okay. You can delete them, whichever image you want. You can put up to 5 in here. You can add more in here. Any type of images that you want, add in here, and it will use this as a reference to put it over here on the thumbnail or whatever it is that you're creating. Okay. Upload more images. You can choose your style. You want a square, landscape, portrait, standard, tall, Facebook cover. You can use it for that. You can come over here and set photorealistic, no style, digital art, oil painting, whatever you want. You can do it for that as well. You get up to 3 credits for this. Now the credits that you use here are also going to be the same 3 credits that you have in the prompt over here in the Prompt AI tool. If you use the high powered mode, if you don't use the high powered mode, you're not going to use any credit. So let's come back over here, come back to image generator, come back down here. So if I just put this image back over here, all of that's going to be there for you. Come down. You can purchase more credits if you want to. Then you click generate the image, and then it's going to generate your image over here. If you want to download it here, you can copy here. You can add a new image here. But any changes you make over here, understand it's going to use some of your credits. So you want to try to get it right at least the first or second time. So that's another tool that you can use. Also, we have prompt ideas down here. Okay, if you want a Facebook cover, thumbnails for shorts. Okay, all of these down here, we have these. You can use these as well. If you just click on it, it's going to put it up there for you automatically. You just go through here and make a few changes. So you want to make sure you do that. So this is the Van Gogh AI image studio. So that's what we're calling that. So we come back over here. Next, we come over to what we call the Smart Post tool. The Smart Post tool is where you can connect to your different social medias, and this tool is going to actually send out your content to all of those platforms all at one time. Just understand that all of this is for short form video content. Okay, so if you click on manage connections, you can connect your Facebook, you connect Instagram, YouTube, Facebook or Instagram, YouTube. My YouTube is connected. I need to reconnect my Facebook and Instagram to it. You can do TikTok, you can do your Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. You connect all of those, your Google Drive and your Dropbox. What this does is once you create one short piece of content, okay, I preferably would say 60 seconds, no more. You might can go over 90 seconds, that may be good, but 60 seconds is good. Then you can post this to all of your different, social media platform. Upload your video. It tells you what here, tells you what the length and all of that. Keep it under 90 seconds. Drop your video here. It's just file this supporter down here, the file size limit. All of that is down there as well. So you have the PromptWrite AI, image generator, and the Smart Post tools. These are AI tools that you can use to potentially earn you $3,000 per month, okay, in whatever it is you're doing, but especially with the turnkey system here inside of the Home Business Academy. If you want to check that out, click the link in the description below. Also, Another AI tool that we have, if we come over here, is Sage. Inside of here, when you're in your back office, you can ask any questions that you want, okay, without having to contact support. If the question is not here and can't be answered here, then it will direct you to contact support. So you can ask any question here whatsoever, and it's going to do the best it can to answer you, or you can post it over here, but we prefer that you ask Sage first and things like that. And then if you have to reach out to support, you can reach out to support for that. So the way you get started, you can get started and get access to these tools is simply by clicking the link in the description. Come to this page right here, fill out your name and your best email, okay, and click get instant access. Once you come here, you're going to come to a page that looks just like this. Watch this video from Paul. Another AI tool that can help you close sales and make sales for you is Sage. That's on this page right here. You can ask Sage whatever question that you want, and she's going to answer it for you. And if you just start typing in here and asking Sage, you know, does this work? Will it work for me? How much is the investment? Whatever question you can ask, or your prospect or your person might ask that comes here, then she's going to answer it, but she's also going to try to close them for you. You see, Melvin C just made a sale. Okay, this happens on this page for you as well, powered by AI. Derek, okay, just got started. So it works if you're willing to put in the work. So you come to this page, you watch this video, ask Sage any questions over here that you have. Come down through here. We paid over $7 million in affiliate commissions. You come down through here, read this entire page, watch out any videos you want to watch that's in the blue here, and then you can see the numbers. Over $7 million as of March 15, 2026. You're able to see what you can earn residual. What we're talking about right now is the premium. Only one right here. Your investment will be $125 per month, but you can earn $100 in residual income. That means 30 people, you're earning $3,000 per month. Now, if those 30 people, or some of those 30 people, or all of those 30 people come back and get the $8, that's $8 residual you're earning from each and every person. They get the funnel builder, that's another $20 you're earning from each and every person. Okay, so now you're earning $128 per month per person as long as they remain. All three paid $128 in residual. You can see the residual outcome here. Come down this page, read all the information, watch the videos. Come down here, make sure you see an image of me and my beautiful wife. Click here to get started on the $35, okay? Because what's going to happen is, when you get started for $35 today, you're going to get access to, okay, the Let's Go app and the funnel builder, but you're going to get 2 weeks free of the HBA Premium, which gives you access to all of the AI tools I just showed you, which can help you reach that 3K per month if that's what you're willing to do. Okay, so you come down here, you click this button, you come over here and you just sign up and you get started. It's just that simple. Once you do that, you come back in here, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. You come over to Premium and boom, get access to your tools. You're going to get access to the funnel builder as well and the Let's Go app. And you can start using these AI tools as soon as you get in here. And the thing about it, you no longer have to worry about using ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok, okay, to write content for you, to create thumbnails for you, and to put your videos out on platforms, which you don't have to do it one at a time. This will do it all for you. So this is the easiest 3K per month AI affiliate business that you can start today. This is the step-by-step guide of how I do things to create YouTube videos, create content for my affiliate marketing business. If you're ready to get started, go ahead on, click the link that's in the description below. Watch the next video that pops up on the screen, because it's going to explain a little bit more to you about the HBA app and how you can get started with it. I hope you got value from this video. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.